Alright guys, wanted to show you all this 2015 GMC 1500. We lifted this one about 2 years ago. It's got the FTS 7 to 9, sitting at 9 inches. It's powder coated illusion red. It's got the 20x9 snowflake red and black wheels, 37 1250 20 TIS off-road TT1s. The customer had the truck wrapped. I'm not sure on the color of this, but it does look really good. It's a matte wrap. It's got the rough country power steps on it. It's got the FTS Resi shocks as well. We also just finished up a dual exhaust system on it. I'll roll up under it and show you all that. So we did 2.5-inch stainless exhaust. It's true duals. Goes into a stainless X pipe. It's got the Flowmaster 2 chamber, and then they're dumped right out of the muffler. Alright, go ahead and fire it up and let you hear it as well. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the videos, subscribe, stay tuned for more.